Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post ads on Binance P2P. It's really simple and easy. What you have to do is you have to go to trade and go to P2P. Once you are on P2P right here, as you can see, we are on our P2P. We can just skip this, and then as you can see here, we have buy and sell, and we also have here user guide. If you want to see the tutorial, make sure to watch this tutorial, and then you also have more. So click on more, and here you have post new ad. So click on post new ad here, and then as you can see, we will see that we can post a normal ad right here. Now we can set the type and price, we can set total amount and payment method, and we can set remarks and automatic response. So let's say you want to sell, USD, right? USDT, you can do that whatever you want. If you go here, we can click next, and then here you can put the total amount of a USD that you want to obviously sell in an order limit, and also create great pound limit as well. Now you can add payment method here. Let's say you have add new payment method, you can add more payment methods, or pop-up is currently blocked. You can add payment method through here. You can see total amount should not be less than 100. Since we don't have 100 USDT, we cannot actually go through this whole process, but this is basically how to post an ad right on P2P, on Binance P2P. You will be able to set remarks and automatic response, and then you can click next and obviously go through that whole process. You can set the payment limit here, and if you need any help or guide, you can also click here, and Binance will help you with that as well. But this is basically how to post an ad on Binance P2P app. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.